Hello friends, Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Today we are going to talk about strength, flexibility and mobility. So before we start, let us pray to God for the wellness of the entire world. जगत जलंदा रख ले अपनी कृपा धार जित दुआए उबरै तितै लह उबार सतगुर सुख विखालिया सच्चा शब्द विचार नानक अवर न सोदई हार बिन बख्शन हार. So friend, today we are going to talk about some of the exercises which are going to test our fitness level. ਜੋ ਸਾਡਾ ਫਿਟਨੈਸ ਲੈਵਲ ਨੂੰ ਟੈਸਟ ਕਰਨਗੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਘਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੈਠ ਕੇ ਹੀ ਜੋ ਹੈ ਆਪਣੀ ਫਿਟਨੈਸ ਲੈਵਲ ਨੂੰ ਟੈਸਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. You can test your fitness level while you are at home. So you have to simply first go down with your crossed legs. You have to sit and just try to stand. Again, go down without taking the support of the floor. You have to stand up and again go down. See if you can do it. Initially, it may be a little difficult, but slowly and gradually, you have to do it so that your flexibility, your mobility, and strength can be tested. Try to do it at least 10 times. The second exercise is you have to open your legs at least shoulder level wide, extend your arms out, and then slowly sit back. Sit back, and this is also called sumo pose, and stay in this position at least for 1 minute. Yes, I'll show you from the side, and as usual, you don't have to cross your knees over your toes. The basic rule is same. So this way, ensure that you be in this position at least for 60 seconds. If you can do it, you have good strength of your legs, your glute muscles. The second exercise was on your squat. The third exercise now, you raise your leg up to right angle, maintain your balance, take it further up and create a 120-degree angle. I'll show you from the side, from the hips, which will be 90-degree, and then raise it up, up, maintain your balance, and now stay there again for 60 seconds. This should be 120-degree angle. Show you with the other leg. Raise it first. Try to maintain your balance. Raise it up. Make it 120-degree angle. And stand there. Focus. Concentrate. You can say Vaheguru, 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 Vaheguru. And you have to be there at least for 1 minute. Now, fourth exercise. Sit down completely and extend your one leg forward. Bring it back. Extend other leg forward. Bring it back. See it from the side. Sit like this. Extend your leg forward. Straighten it. Bring it back. Extend your leg. Stay there for a few seconds. Bring it back. Again, forward, backward. Forward, straighten it. Stay there. Backward. Straighten it and come back. Straighten it and come back. Again, stand without taking any support. Next exercise is called aeroplane. So first you go down and slowly raise your left leg up, 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 up. Keep going up, ऊपर जाते जाओ. Now extend your arms forward like this. Stay there for about 30 seconds to 60 seconds. Change direction. Show you from the front like this. Maintain your balance. So this is all about strength, balancing, and also your flexibility and mobility. Stay there for about 15 seconds. Increase it to 30 seconds and then go up to 1 minute. You can do it. It is not difficult. Only practice, practice, and practice. Last two exercises, you have to go down on your elbows. It is called plank. Ensure that your body is parallel to the ground. Don't do this. Don't do this. Keep it parallel to the ground. Stay in this position. इस position को से रहना है about minimum 1 minute. Minimum is 1 minute and increase it to 3 minutes. So for fitness test, 1 minute is enough. I do it for 12 minutes. So 12 minutes, you keep on focusing on praising the God, praising the nature. You really don't think about you're doing plank. Then you can do it for whatever time you wish to do it. This is very good for strengthening your entire body, especially the core muscles. Come back. And now the last one, little tough but doable. I show it first from the side. Put your hands down and tuck your knees alongside your elbows and try to go forward. Go forward on your toes and then see if you can lift your body up like this. Stay there to see the strength of your shoulders, your wrists, and if you can lift your body, you are great. Feet from front, your hands firmly on the ground, your knees tuck, taking support of your elbows, and lift your body, go forward, and stay there for about 30 seconds and increase to 60 seconds. Very good exercises without any, uh, you know, equipments, without going to gym, but testing your fitness level, your flexibility, mobility, and will come out with some new exercises in future how to improve your mobility. Till then, goodbye. ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ